the last, I'm drawing the line, that was it. That was it. End of the day. Yeah, we'll pull it out and then spin the stock 180. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Right here it's pretty rusty and it's already had a repair in it right there. Like this section I think has been replaced. Lefty loosey, and then you go righty and this because it's backwards. There we go.
Ever need your help, Michael?
I just feel like this guy catches in the front. Boy! Whoa! God almighty, dude! It was going, dude. You go straight under. That's good right there. We need the chassis to be a little further forward. Must be on lip control. Alright, go easy. You want me to do lift controls or you want to do it?
I'll do lift control if that's what I need to do, because I don't trust anybody else, especially his ass. All right, our locks out.
Yeah, we're good. We're good to go now. I'm gonna watch back here, but Aiden, just keep an eye on the engine and whatever on the firewall.
Look, you got to be scanning this whole thing. You got to be scanning it with your eyes, like. Whoa!
That's what he said once again.
Right.
All right, go down.
Are we watching everything, everybody?
I have no idea what that buzzer does. It just keeps, like, when I lean on the car, it just randomly turns on and off. I don't know what's yelling at me for. I have no idea what that thing does. I don't really think it's hurting anything though. Sure, why it's hurting my ears.
Is that?
I don't know, it's this little box right here. There we go. I shoved it and it didn't like it, and then it shut up.
I don't think it's gonna try to fire up.
Fire it?
Yeah.
Let me go back a little bit on the timing. Something ain't right. It's just gonna turn over, it's not gonna start. I had a little bit of gas in it. Alright, hit it again. I don't know why this isn't getting a pickup.
It's because it's a car, not a pickup.
I give up. That was the last. I'm drawing the line. That was it. That was it.
End of the day.
It's a car shooter, not a pickup.